what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control.
Hey, my loves. I was not going to do a look today, but I changed my mind. So I have Norvina Volume 2 in front of me, and I am putting on this beautiful C2. I've got Anastasia primer and concealer on my eyes. I used Anastasia's pomade dip brow for my brows. And I've been trying to let them grow out, but it's hard to do that. So let's get some pigment in here and do a pretty eye look, shall we? I always have to keep in mind I have one eye and one eyebrow higher than the other. That's just the way it is. And here I am having a ball doing this. I probably should have done a live for you guys. I love playing with these palettes. I absolutely love color. I really haven't had any issues with these colors staining the lids at all, which is totally cool. I mean, you put a little concealer on it and we're good to go, but still. Okay, so now I want to go into my crease with something. And I'm going to need a crease brush to do it. Where are you, crease brush? You know what? I think this one will work. I'm getting to the point where I've got to wash my brushes again. Okay, so I want to go a little bit darker, so I'm going to do this D5, and I'm going to put it right here. It's a nice navy-like blue almost. It's really pretty. Blend, blend, blend. Oh, I am loving color. Look how pretty that is. Tell me that's not pretty. I am loving that so very much. Where's that first brush I used? I really like my eyes to stand out, so I'm packing in that color and blending. Now I want to take what I call a packing brush. This one's got something on it. I don't want that one. Hiding my little vapor thingy because I don't think we're supposed to have them on here anymore. And I think I'm going to use some setting spray. Oh, you know me with the dropping things again. Ooh. Okay, we're going to go in with D1. This is like crazy beautiful. Like, I don't even know how to explain this. Look at that. Hi, how are you? Look at that. I had to mix a few foundations today because I am getting darker, so I'm gonna have to get re-shade matched, but I'll just go up a color, we'll see. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. I'll go to the corner with it. Yes, definitely. Hello, pigment. Wow, isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness, I am in love. Super in love with this palette. Don't know what else to say other than I'm in love with this palette. I'm in love with all of the Anastasia palettes. Okay. Now, whew, I just like playing with color in general. Nice little sharp edge there, because I feel like it. I've got some fallout.
Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go.
Maybe I will do a rainbow look at some point. You guys have definitely been asking about that.
Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the light.
Yes, I'm definitely just putting the color where I want it. These are super pigmented. You do not have to keep putting your brush back into the color. That is for sure. Look at that. That is amazing. Like, amazing, amazing.
So you can see what you do. Restless every time we start looking as a
I wish I had those gems. I've got to find gems. I'd love to put gems on my eyes. That would be awesome. Let's see, are we blended out, ladies? For the most part. Got some sparkles coming out now. That's okay though. Not a big deal. Okay, let's grab, is it this brush that I want? This should do it. Blend out that.
control is paradise with honesty, but in the dead of the night. Teardrop.
I'm liking it. I'm ready for some eyeliner. Definitely. And some highlight. We're going to have to go with the brain freeze because I'm thinking freeze tag's going to do it. Yes, that is the one I want. A nice little highlight underneath here. Yep, loving it. I need my little tiny inner corner highlight brush, which is cracking. I hate it when brushes crack. I'm gonna be like the ice queen today. Look at that. I love it. That is pretty amazing. I don't even need eyeliner if I don't want it. But I really do like my black eyeliner. It's just my thing. So I'm gonna put some on. Guys, I'm putting the finishing touches on everything. What do you think? I'm thinking of going with the Anastasia Parfait Lip Gloss, even though it comes off. I wish it was like a velour lip where it just like stayed put. But look how pretty it is. What do you think? I absolutely loved playing with Norvina Volume 2. When I get to 2,500, I will give one of those away. Absolutely. I love you guys. Just making sure I'm good. So very, very much. I am going to get dressed now and find an outfit that goes with this look. And I think I've got one. So thank you again for all of your amazing support. I don't mind constructive criticism. I don't mind any of those things. I'm still developing as an artist in this century. Remember, I'm 41. I grew up, makeup is different. But I can tell you that when you practice something over and over, you can only get better. I love you guys. I will see you in the next video.